Well, I just wanted to show you how I set up my photography for this bronze. I brought the background up and over the board that I had pictures of Terry Connor pinned to, so that I could make a continuous black background behind the bronze. And then I set my strobes here facing the ceiling, and then my camera right there in the center, which is it's a Canon 60D with a zoom lens on it. I don't know what it is. I can't read it without my glasses anyway, so, or without my magnifiers on. I ain't putting my magnifiers on for nobody right now. Anyway, the bronze itself is completely black, or dark, because I just wanted to light the background behind it so that it won't blend in with the background when it's lit by the strobe lights, which I got here and here. It's just a matter of adjusting these strobes in this little small area of mine to bounce off the ceiling up there down onto the bronze. And then I had to adjust the camera. I kept on, I've been working for about 2-3 hours just photographing this bronze to get just the right lighting on this bronze. And it finally worked out. I got it, and the following is our pictures of the original clay, just to remind you what it looked like before. And now, pictures of the bronze itself. All right, everybody, that's going to be it for tonight. See you next time. Give me a thumbs up and share my video. And then check out my instructional DVDs, the link down below this video. All right, see you next time.